Hello guys, welcome to Reggae School of Fashion. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't skip those ads. Thank you.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Bolaji and this is Reggae School of Fashion. On this channel, I upload fashion designing content regularly for both male and female using pattern drafting, which is a world standard method in clothing construction. In this video, I will be taking you through the process of how to take a senator wear measurement on a male child. Consider subscribing to my channel for regular notifications so that you won't miss out anytime I upload a new video. Also guys, do good by watching ads on my videos. Please don't skip those ads because that is one of the ways you guys can encourage me to keep on releasing more valuable content on this platform. Without further delay, let's get started. So guys, the next measurement I will be showing you is the armhole circumference measurement. In taking the armhole circumference measurement, the measurement will be wrapped around his armpit. Okay, the measurement comes from the armpit upward to his shoulder. You can see what I have. So if I'm taking this measurement accurately, I have 11 inches for him. So you can see what I have. But because this is a growing child, I will add to the measurement. I will release my measuring tape to 12 inches. So instead of making use of 11, can you see what I have for 11? I will be using 12 inches. And can you see the space I have in between? So this will give opportunity for growth. So when the boy is growing, he will be able to wear the outfit for a long period of time. So that is how to take the armhole circumference measurement. So guys, the next measurement I will be showing you is the back measurement. That is shoulder point to shoulder point. In taking the shoulder point to shoulder point on a male child, okay, so I will lay the tip of my measuring tape on the center of the shoulder. So this is where the arm and the skin meet. You can see here. So I will trace it upward. When I get to that point, I will not take the measurement exactly on that point because the child is growing. So I will add about 0.75 to that point. Then I will extend it to the other side as well and move it downward a bit. You can see what I have here. So this is 12.5 inches for his back. So which means if I'm taking the exact measurement, I will have 11.5 inches. I've added 0.75 here and 0.75 here. Also, if you are finding this difficult to measure, you can take the exact measurements from the shoulder point, leave the measuring tape, leave it, then you extend it to the other side. You can see what I have. I have 11.5 inches for him. So when I get to the drafting point, when I'm drafting the pattern, then I will be adding extra 0.75 to the measurement. That is 0.75 on both sides. Okay guys, if you don't know how to locate 0.75 on your measuring tape, I have a well-detailed tutorial on how to read a measuring tape for pattern drafting. The video has been linked up already in the description area below. Kindly check it out after watching this one. Okay, so make sure you request for the standard body measurement chart. It is very important. Also, if you want to take measurements on a male child as well, the standard body measurement chart will be a guide for you. Most especially if you are a beginner, you will know whether you are wrong or not when you are taking the measurements. After taking your measurements on the boy, you can go back to the chart and cross-check to confirm if your measurement is correct until you are very good in it. So now we have that done. The next measurement I will be showing you is the neck circumference measurement. In taking the neck circumference measurement, I will wrap the measuring tape on his neck. So I want you guys to see it clearly. That is why I'm opening this. So I will wrap the measuring tape around his neck. The neck circumference measurement is needed to confirm what I have on the neck area when drafting the pattern. So it is not necessary when you are making a collar shirt. So the measuring tape must relax properly at the back of his neck, like so. Then I will extend it forward to relax properly on the bone on his chest. You want to sleep? Sorry, we're almost done. Here, excuse me, not like this for a male child. You can take this for adults. You can see what I have for, but for a male child, you have to bring it down as much as you can. And also at the back, the measuring tape must rest properly. So for him, I have 12 inches for the neck circumference measurement. So guys, the next measurement I will be showing you is the senator wear length. That is the length of the shirt. So in taking the measurement, I will put my measuring tape at the nape of his neck. That is the side of the neck, like so. Then I will stand properly. So you have to tell your client to stand properly, and I will extend the measuring tape downward like so until, look up, stand straight. So your two hands by your side. Look at what I have here. So this is his thumb. 20 inches falls on his thumb. So that is the standard length for senator wear. But because this is a growing child, I will not be making use of the exact 20 inches. So I will add extra 1 inch to the measurement because I don't want it to be too long. But in the case you want it longer, you can add up to 2 inches to the length of the senator wear. So that is how to take the length measurement. The last but not the least measurement I will be showing you is the sleeve measurement. As I said earlier, the sleeve measurement can either be a short sleeve, the 3/4, or long sleeve. But when you are making a senator wear for a male child, it's advisable you go for the short sleeve so that the child will not outgrow it easily. In taking the sleeve measurement, the measurement will be taken from the center of the shoulder, from here. So for short sleeve, for a male child, the elbow point is ideal for the length. But if you are making this for an adult, the short sleeve is somewhere around here. It's going to fall on the 6 inches point. But for a male child, it has to be on the elbow or below the elbow. Even for some parent that doesn't mind, the short sleeve can get up to the 3/4 point, which is here. Okay, but for more fitting outfit, it can stop exactly on the elbow. You can see the one is putting on, it stops exactly on the elbow point, which is here. So for the short sleeve for him, 9.5 inches is okay for him as a short sleeve. Between 9 and 9.5 inches is okay. And if it is the long sleeve, I will bring it down like so to the wrist on his bone. That is 15 inches, and I will add extra 1 inch to that to make it 16 inches. Okay, so let's assume I'm making a long sleeve for him. I will have to take the wrist measurement. In taking the wrist measurement, it has to be taken like so. This is 7 inches. You can see the space I have. Then I will release my measuring tape to about 7.5 inches. It has to be free. So that is for long sleeve. Then for short sleeve, on the sleeve length, I will measure the circumference of that point. So here I have 10 inches. So 10 inches is okay. You can see what I have over there. Remove your hand. Can you see this? 10 inches is enough for the circumference of the sleeve. So guys, the remaining measurements needed when making a senator wear for a male child are the neck width and the neck depth measurement. I was unable to take the measurements on my client, so to say, because he walked out of the set saying he wants to go. So it's one of those things when taking measurements on kids. That is why you need the standard body measurement chart. Kindly go to the comment section and write standard measurements. Once I receive the comments, then I will give you the chart. That will be all on how to take a senator wear measurement on a male child. Let's meet in my next video where I will be dishing out another valuable content from my wealth of knowledge. But till then, always do remember, there is no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs.